Chapter 3. Editing Audio and Subtitle Tracks. In this chapter, we will cover editing audio and subtitle tracks. Select the video or slideshow that you want to add an audio track to. Click on the Audio tab, select the audio music symbol, and browse for your audio file. You can set audio level, fade in, fade out, repeat, and surround sound emulation by clicking on each button. Select language settings here to define the languages for all your titles. For instance, define English to be the language for audio track number 1, French for audio track 2, and a director's commentary as audio track 3. There are two ways to add subtitles. First, select your video in the title bar. Select the Subtitle tab and then click Add Edit Subtitles. Double-click on the first line here and type your text. Then, click on the next line. Alternatively, double-click on the main window and type your text. Next, set your subtitles' start and stop times. You can do this in one of two ways. Either double-click on Start Time and then set the start time by setting the hours, minutes, seconds, or frames. Use the up-down arrows or type the time using the keyboard. The other way to set start and end points is to drag the Mark In, Mark Out points here. Set your subtitle formatting and location on the right-hand side of the window. Assuming you want subtitles that have a consistent look and style, you might want to consider adding all your subtitles and then adjusting the format. The easiest way to do this is to select all by clicking here and then changing the formatting. You can also switch between subtitle tracks here. You'll notice there are 6 buttons next to the current subtitle track. From left to right, they are: Add Subtitle Track, Delete Subtitle Track, Import Subtitles, Save Subtitles for Export, Specify Language Settings, and Add EXIF Data. With the Add Subtitle options, you can add up to 32 subtitle tracks. With Import Subtitles from a text file, you can save time by importing subtitles which have been saved in the TXT format. With Save Subtitles for Export, you can save subtitles together with specified metadata, such as the text attributes and the time codes. The latter is particularly useful for multi-language subtitles. Again, just like with audio tracks, you can set the language settings. Be aware that Apply to All Titles applies the language settings to all video and slideshow titles in your project. To make sure your data is saved, be sure to click OK before closing the Add Edit Subtitle window. You have completed the third of 5 chapters. In this chapter, you have learned how to edit audio and subtitle tracks. In the next chapter, we will cover creating a menu from a blank template.